in the kingdom of Babylon. Because of the wickedness of the Hebrews, God allowed them to be taken captive to foreign lands. Many were brought to Babylon. That is where our story takes place, about 3 Israelites named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Whoa! You've been promoted to 3 of the king's top royal officials.
Our God has blessed us in this foreign land.
Yes, he has. Top officials. Oh, yeah.
Come on, bring it in. 1, 2, 3.
Together!
Now, let's go see the king.
Ah, my 3 royal officials. I am so glad to see you, for I have a very important announcement to make.
What is it?
Yes?
I have created a 90-foot golden image. So beginning tomorrow, all of my kingdom will bow down and worship the image, and worship me.
Quick question, Mikey. What will happen if someone, I don't know, doesn't bow down to the image?
If someone doesn't bow down and worship the image, they will be thrown into the fiery furnace. But of course, that will never happen. Now go and prepare for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
What are we going to do?
Think about it. We can run away. Did you see that furnace? It was hot.
Yeah. Me and fire don't mix too well together.
Guys, we're not gonna run away. We're not gonna bow down. That's why we are going to stand up for our God.
You're right. We're not going to bow.
Yeah, while the others are bound down, we shall stand up. God did say not to have any foreign gods or graven images.
We won't bow.
Yeah. All right. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3. Together. Now let's get some sleep. Whoa. Look at the size of that thing.
Man, that's a shame. Look at all these people bowing to it.
Stand tall, gentlemen. We shall not bow down.
You 3! Why aren't you bowing before the image? The king wants to see you now.
Are we gonna get promoted again?
No!
Aww.
Here you are, king. The 3 you asked for.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Is it true what I have heard? That you have refused to bow before my golden image?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Maybe you didn't understand my instructions, so I'm going to give you one more chance. When the music starts, you will bow down and worship the image. But if you do not, you will be thrown into the fiery furnace.
Sir, even if we are thrown into this fiery furnace, our God shall deliver us from the fire. And even if he lets us burn, we shall not bow down to your golden image or your gods.
What? How dare you defy me? Guard, tie them up.
Yes, sir. Give me your hands. Come here.
place them into the fiery furnace, and I want it 7 times hotter than normal.
Yes, sir. 7 times.
Can't we negotiate for 6?
There will be no negotiations. Off with you.
Oh, boy.
Into the furnace.
It's really hot.
Okay. No, please.
Get in there! Get in there! Get in there!
Whoa! We're in the middle of fire, and we aren't even burning.
Our ropes are burned off, but I don't feel a thing.
I wish I had some hot dogs and marshmallows right now.
Yeah. Hey guys, don't you just feel the presence of our God?
Yeah.
Like he's maybe right behind us. Yeah, that's just from the fire. Well, praise be to God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you guys feel that too?
Touch us on the head.
What is this that I see? Did I not place 3 men into the fiery furnace to be destroyed? They are not even being burned. And look, there is a 4th man in the fiery furnace, and he appears to be the Son of God. You men must come out. Come out of the fiery furnace. Come out. Truly, your God is the true God. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, you don't even smell of smoke. Truly, your God is the true God. From now on, my kingdom, we will worship your God, for he is the true God.